participation in the overthrow of the Hawaiian Kingdom. The resolution also called for a process of reconciliation between Native Hawaiians and the United States. The reconciliation process began in 1999, and one of the 6 recommendations made by the Departments of Interior and Justice was to enact legislation that would give Hawaii's indigenous peoples, Native Hawaiians, a means of self-governance and economic self-determination within the confines of federal law. Congress has been considering legislation to provide federal recognition to Native Hawaiians. National recognized organizations and leagues have gone on record in support of Native Hawaiian federal recognition. My question, Senator, is if elected, what will your administration do to support the United States' commitment to reconciliation with Native Hawaiians?